day that we're finally ending our elementary days, but starting a new chapter in our lives as a high school student. Finally, after many years of hard work, finally tayo ay graduate na. Ang ating pagtatapos sa elementarya ay isang patunay na ating napagtagumpayan ang ating mga pagsubok. Alam nyo, ang graduation ay hindi lang para makatanggap ng diploma. It's about celebrating the growth of experience, about the lessons we learned, not only in classrooms, kundi pati na rin sa buhay. Alam ko, hindi naging madali ang lahat. We've experienced sleepless nights, deadlines, crammings, doubts, and failures. At syempre, na-experience natin tanungin ang ating sarili na, kaya ko ba? Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, hindi tayo sumuko. Ngunit hindi natin ito magagamtan kung wala dyan ang ating mga magulang, teachers, friends, especially sila. Kaya nais kong pasalamatan ang aking tatay Recto at nanay Ladi. Pwede po ba silang tumayo? Maraming salamat sapagkat kahit mahirap, ako ay inyong pinag-aral, inyong minahal at inyong sinuportahan. At kahit man na hindi ako naging perfectong anak ko, naisip pa rin kayo bigyan ng magandang inaknaro na kayo. Aking mga kapatid at pinsan, nagsilbing sa alaw ng bulan. Maraming salamat sa pag-support sa akin at sa pag-aalala ko sa aking mga katamata ko hanggang ngayon. Aking very supportive at Marlene Langoroon. Thank you sa palaging pag-support sa akin at salamat din sa inyong pagmamahal at pagtitiwala. Sa aking mga kaibigan, well, Danel Kagasot Ayesa. Salamat na pagiging special mission ka mo tayo. Hindi ko malilimutan sa aking mga kawayan at tuwan. At sa aking managing guro, mula kinder. Thank you, Ma'am, sir, for your patience and dedication. And to my advisor, Madam Jennifer. Thank you for supporting us and thank you for supporting me when I was in grade 4 upang makipagpasa sa akin sa science assessment. At dahil sa inyong suporta at magtitiwala, ako ay nag-uwi ng isang medalyang hindi ko malilimutan. We love you, Ma'am. And to my subject teachers, Madam Margaret, Madam Merman, and to the other teachers, Madam Bea, and to the other teachers. Thank you for your dedication and patience. Of course, I'd like to thank God for guiding me. And this would not be possible if He had not guided my steps. And to my fellow graduates, thank you guys for your teamwork, cooperation, and friendship. I am really honored to have a part of my life with you guys. And this is not the end. It's just the beginning. Alam ko madami pa tayong haharapin na challenges. Ngunit alam ko kakayanin natin. Dahil kung nakaya natin itong chapter na ito, we can survive and overcome